Have you ever stumbled upon a piece of code that left you scratching your head? If you've encountered the inline keyword in Clojure and wondered what it does, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Clojure functions and unraveling the mystery behind the inline keyword. I totally get it. Clojure can be a bit overwhelming, especially when you come across snippets that seem cryptic. You're not alone in this. Many developers have faced the same confusion when trying to understand how inline works. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "What does the inline keyword do in Clojure functions?" They shared a code snippet that includes this keyword, and it sparked a lot of curiosity. So what exactly is going on here? To understand the inline keyword, we need to know that it is used to provide a more efficient implementation of a function. When you define a function with inline, Clojure can replace calls to that function with the provided inline implementation, which can lead to performance improvements. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a practical example that will help solidify your understanding of the inline keyword in action. To understand the purpose of the inline keyword in Clojure functions, the user should first recognize that it allows for optimization during function calls. Specifically, it enables the compiler to replace a function call with the function's body directly. Next, the user should note that the inline keyword is defined within a metadata map. This map can include a function that generates the code to be inlined, as seen in the example provided. Additionally, the user should be aware that the inline function can take parameters. In the example, it takes two parameters, x and y, and uses them to create a call to the equivalent method from the clojure.lang.numbers class. Finally, the user should understand that using the inline keyword can lead to performance improvements, especially in cases where the function is called frequently. This is because it reduces the overhead of function calls. Fun fact, the inline keyword is just one of many powerful features in Clojure that can help optimize your code. It's like having a secret weapon in your coding toolkit. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the inline keyword in Clojure functions is used to optimize performance by allowing the compiler to replace function calls with the function's body. However, they note that inlining generally offers minimal performance benefits, since the JVM's just-in-time compiler can inline calls at runtime. The main advantage of inlining is that it avoids boxing when calling Java methods with primitive types. They also clarify that inlining works at the var level and can be combined with specific arities using the inline arities meta. Additionally, they mention the define line macro, which simplifies defining inline functions. Here's a quick tip. When using inline, always ensure that the inline implementation is efficient and does not introduce side effects. This will help maintain the integrity of your code. And there you have it. You now have a clearer understanding of the inline keyword in Clojure functions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into Clojure and other programming topics. Keep coding and exploring.